Hello everyone, it's Crochet by Beb. Welcome to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet slip stitch and half double crochet slip stitch back loop only. Okay, first just make a slip knot and make your beginning chains. To begin your pattern, just make a half double crochet slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. So just count. This is the first and this is the second. So we're going to start here to make the half double crochet slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into that second chain from the hook, grab a yarn. Okay, normally when we are doing half double crochet, we're going to yarn over and pull through into these 3 loops, but we're doing a half double crochet slip stitch. So in this last loop, we're going to slip stitch into these 2 loops, just like that. So that is the half double crochet slip stitch, and then just continue half double crochet slip stitch into your remaining chains or stitches. Just yarn over, insert, then grab a yarn, then just slip stitch into those 2 loops, just like that. Yarn over, insert, then just slip stitch into those 2 loops. Okay, so this is half double crochet slip stitch. It's very easy. So I'm just going to finish this half double crochet slip stitch into the remaining chains. Then I'm going to show you how to make the half double crochet slip stitch back loop only. To continue your next row, just chain 1, then turn. Then this is your stitches, your normal stitches. Okay, so you can see the normal stitches, there is this V form here. So this is the front loop, this is the front loop, which is the nearest loop in front of you, this, and this is the back loop. Okay, this is the back loop, front loop, this is these loops, and this is the back loop. So this is the nearest front in front of you, so this is the front loop and this is the back loop. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and insert here into the middle, which is we're going to do the back loop. So here only the back loop. So normally when we are doing the normal stitch, we're inserting our hook in this hole, in this little hole here, to make our half double crochet. But if you are doing back loop, we're doing inserting our hook in this, in the middle of this V here. Take the back loop only, insert there, grab a yarn, then doing the half double crochet slip stitch. So just slip stitch into the 2 loops. Okay, yarn over, insert in that back loop, grab a yarn, and then just slip stitch into that 2 loops. Yarn over, go into that back loop and slip stitch into that 2 loops. So this is half double crochet, slip stitch, back loop only. You can see the nice pattern with this stitch. When we are done with this, I'm just going to finish this and showing you the nice pattern of this stitch. When you are doing your slip stitch, just make it not too tight, so it's not very hard for you to insert your hook slip stitching in the 2 loops. And then don't forget to make your last stitch. Okay, as you can see, this is now the form of the stitches. To continue, just chain 1 again, then turn, and then here into your stitches, yarn over into the back loop and make the half double crochet slip stitch. Okay, so just continue like this. It's very easy and quick pattern of this half double crochet slip stitch, back loop only, and you can see the very nice pattern of the stitches. I will make more rows so I can show you the result of this stitch. This is how it gonna look like, your stitches. So it's very nice, I really like it, and it's reversible. You can do a lot of project with these stitches, like beanie or hat, shawl or headband, ear warmer. Next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an ear warmer or headband using these stitches, half double crochet slip stitch, back loop only, this headband. So just watch that out for my next video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this ear warmer or headband. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will be updated for my next video tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me making these stitches. Happy crochet everyone. Bye.